2006 Volvo vnl64t630 single sleeper, and I left the lights on overnight and the battery was dead. So I jumped it and I charged it with my battery charger for about 5 hours, and I went to turn the key, the electrical came on, my voltage was the correct voltage, but when I turned the key, nothing happened. So if anyone has this problem, I found the answer, the solution, and it's most likely going to be your starter solenoid. I don't know why mine went out for leaving the lights on, but I used my power probe and I just bypassed the electricity and it started right up. Here, I'll show you. Alright, here's my power probe, and there's the solenoid. You can see that I have voltage there, positive, and then it's going to jump to the negative, and when I push it up to start it, it starts. So yeah, in conclusion, I would say if you leave your lights on overnight or just forget to turn them off, and then you charge up your batteries and they're charging or they're fully charged, and then you turn the key and nothing happens, check your starter solenoid. I don't know what shorted mine out. I just bypassed the solenoid and I just gave it juice and I gave it power with my power probe. Started right up. So check that.